Let's fix if your AirPod microphone is not working. Now, if you're trying to make a call and you have your AirPods in, the microphone is not working or just doesn't sound great, I'm going to walk you through some steps to get that fixed. So let's head into our settings here and then tap on Trevor's AirPods Pro. Once we're in here, we're going to choose a few different things here. We're going to scroll down and you can see microphone there. I can tap on that and it says automatically switch AirPods. This will switch the microphone from your left to right ear. You can choose always left AirPod or always right AirPod, and it might be that one of the microphones works better than the other, or you can keep it on switch. I would just try these three different options and see which one sounds the best, which one uses the best or gets the best voice. Keep in mind, if it's always on left or always on right, that might drain the battery of your left or right AirPod faster than the other one. Now, let's go back out of here and we can turn off noise cancellation or transparency. And if you have either one of those on, sometimes it mimics or mutes the microphone and doesn't work quite as well as it normally would. Now, the next thing that we'll do is get our actual AirPods and we'll take them out of the case and just make sure that everything is cleaned off. Make sure all of these little speakers around it are cleaned off. And if you need to, just get a little Q-tip to clean those. Clean both your left and right AirPod and make sure that there's no earwax or buildup around that AirPod itself. Now, if those don't fix it, the last thing that we can do is just tap and hold that button at the very back of your AirPod case. And by tapping and holding it, eventually it'll get to the point where it's blinking a white light, and that will reset your AirPods so that you can reconfigure them to your phone. And a lot of times this helps to solve any kind of microphone issues. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.